Ever found yourself needing cash in a pinch, but the nearest Lloyds branch feels miles away? Or maybe you simply prefer the convenience of your local post office. If you're a Lloyds Bank customer wondering if you can withdraw money at the post office and, more importantly, how much you can actually take out, then you're in the right place. Let's be honest, navigating the world of banking can sometimes feel like deciphering a secret code. Different banks have different rules, and even within the same bank, withdrawal limits can vary depending on where you are and how you're trying to access your funds. So, the question remains, can you rely on the post office for your Lloyds cash withdrawals, and what are the limits you need to be aware of? The good news is, yes, you absolutely can withdraw cash from your Lloyds bank account at any post office branch across the UK. This partnership between Lloyds Banking Group and the post office provides a fantastic level of accessibility for millions of customers, allowing you to manage your everyday banking needs in more locations than ever before. Whether you're in a bustling city center or a quiet rural village, chances are there's a post office nearby where you can access your funds. Now for the crucial part, the withdrawal limits. This is where things can get a little more specific. Generally, Lloyds Bank allows personal current account holders to withdraw up to £500 in cash per transaction at the post office. This is a daily limit, meaning that even if you make multiple trips to different post office branches on the same day, the total amount you can withdraw will be capped at £500. However, it's important to note that this £500 limit isn't set in stone and can be subject to a few factors. Firstly, the available balance in your account is, of course, the primary determining factor. You can't withdraw more money than you actually have. Secondly, there might be instances where the post office branch itself has its own limitations on the amount of cash they can dispense at any given time, particularly in smaller or more remote locations. While this is less common, it's always a possibility. Furthermore, if you have a different type of Lloyds account, such as a basic bank account, the withdrawal limits at the post office might be different. It's always a good idea to check the specific terms and conditions of your account or contact Lloyds Bank directly if you're unsure about the limits that apply to you. So, to recap, for most Lloyds Bank personal current account holders, you can typically withdraw up to £500 per day at the post office. This offers a convenient alternative to visiting a bank branch, especially for smaller cash withdrawals. Remember to always check your account balance beforehand and be aware that individual post office branches might have their own dispensing limits. Using your Lloyds debit card at the post office is a straightforward process, much like using a cash machine. Simply present your card to the post office clerk and let them know how much you'd like to withdraw. You'll likely need to enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. The partnership between Lloyds Bank and the post office isn't just limited to cash withdrawals. You can also perform other essential banking tasks, such as checking your account balance and depositing cash and checks, making it a truly valuable service for Lloyds customers. So, the next time you need to access cash and a Lloyds branch isn't immediately accessible, remember the convenience of your local post office. Knowing the withdrawal limit of £500 for most personal current accounts will help you plan your transactions effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.